Hey there, it's Linda in Belize.
Can you imagine saving thousands of dollars and then also winning 1,000? That's exactly what happened to me.
Not only did we save the 12.5% GST, which you can also do next weekend, we also found a ton of other savings. So let's start with looking at what we saved at Design Depot. So the savings depend on how much you spend, and with over $10,000, you save 25%. We were buying tile for our house, so it was quite a big purchase. Now, how much was the total savings? Well, we saved just about $3,700 on the regular savings, and then with GST at 12.5%, it was another $1,400. So in total, we saved over $5,000 just at this one store. Well, Benny's was even better. Stay tuned to find out about how I won the $1,000 here in addition to all these savings. I'm here in Benny's, and not only is it the GST waiver, but there's also tons of sales. For example, this tile here, normally $137 a box, is $107. So that, on top of the fact that you get the 12.5% savings on the GST, is a fantastic deal. The stores weren't as busy as I expected with all the savings and the GST waiver, but I heard that Saturday, it was a different story. And I suspect that's because these stores are normally closed on Sundays. Now, what was the best thing about shopping at Benny's? Of course, it is Benny Bucks. You can purchase goods and you get $1 for every 100 you spend. Now, this dollar can be spent at store, but even better was the fact that we won $1,000. We got a call on the way back saying we got $1,000 worth of Benny Bucks and they're already in our account ready to be used. So although we could shop in Belize City on Sunday, the stores we like in Belmopan and Spanish Lookout were not open. One of those stores is BAH, and this is a store we really like that is open on Saturdays. So next Saturday, the 21st, not only can you save the GST, but there's a ton of other things on sale. Well, for example, you can see on Facebook here, there's 20% plus the GST waiver on power tools of DeWalt and some other items as well. And not only that, but they do have extended store hours on Saturday from 8 to 3 p.m. So if you're looking to shop, now is the time to do it. Happy shopping, Belize!